there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the ASUS ProArt P16, a laptop that's not just a machine, but a masterpiece designed for creators, gamers, and professionals alike. Stick around as we unbox, test, and explore whether this laptop is worth its price tag. Spoiler alert, it's totally worth it. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside, we've got the laptop itself, a sleek mineral black design that screams sophistication. And at just 0.94 inches thin and weighing around 5.29 pounds, it's portable enough to carry to your favorite coffee shop or client meeting without breaking your back. Right away, the ASUS Dial catches my eye, an absolute game changer for creators. More on that later. And look at this connectivity. Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, USB 3.2, SD Express 7.0 card reader. You name it, it's here. This laptop is built to connect with your world. Let's talk performance, because this laptop is an absolute beast. It's powered by an Intel Core i9-13980HX processor with 24 cores. Yes, 24. Combine that with the NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU, and you've got a laptop that eats heavy tasks for breakfast. I edited a 4K video with multiple layers and effects, and the playback was buttery smooth. And for all my Photoshop users out there, this is a dream. The ASUS Dial lets you adjust brush sizes, saturation, and more with pinpoint accuracy. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Now, let's geek out over the display. This 16-inch 3.2K OLED screen is a chef's kiss. It's Pantone validated with a 100% DCI-P 3-color gamut, meaning the colors are true to life. Whether you're a video editor, photographer, or Netflix binger, this display will blow your mind. And gamers, don't worry, I didn't forget you. With a 120Hz refresh rate and 0.2 milliseconds response time, gaming on this laptop is smooth and immersive. It handled titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Fortnite like a champ. Now, let's talk about something we all care about, battery life. While it's not an all-day marathoner, the ProArt P16 gives you solid hours of productivity. Plus, it charges quickly, so you're never tied to a wall for long. And did I mention how portable this is for a creator-focused laptop? It's lightweight yet durable, meeting USMI LSTD 810H military-grade standards. Okay, here's the million-dollar question. Is the ASUS ProArt P16 worth the price tag of $2,339.97? Absolutely. You're getting a creator-focused laptop with top-tier performance, a stunning OLED display, and features like the ASUS Dial that truly set it apart. Plus, with 16GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD, you're future-proofed for years. This laptop isn't just for work. It seamlessly transitions into your day-to-day life. Use it to manage your freelance projects in the morning, edit a YouTube video in the afternoon, and unwind with some gaming in the evening. The ProArt P16 does it all. So, there you have it, an in-depth look at the ASUS ProArt P16. If you're a creator, gamer, or professional looking for a powerhouse laptop that's as versatile as it is beautiful, this is it. And hey, if you're thinking about getting one, why wait? Click the link below to get yours today from Amazon and level up your tech game. Before we wrap up, let me share a little behind-the-scenes fun. I've been using the ASUS ProArt P16 for a week now, and it's honestly changed the way I work. From editing this very video to running late-night gaming sessions, this laptop has been my trusty sidekick. And did you know that the ASUS Dial is fully customizable? You can set it to control volume, zoom in on your timeline, or even switch between applications. It's like having a digital Swiss Army knife. Okay, maybe I got a little too excited about the ASUS Dial during filming, but hey, it's that good. Alright friends, that's a wrap on today's review of the ASUS ProArt P16. This laptop is more than just a tech tool. It's an investment in your creativity, productivity, and passion. Whether you're a designer, programmer, gamer, or someone who just loves top-notch tech, the ProArt P16 will not disappoint. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the coolest gadgets out there.